Good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video. And in this video, we wanted to we want to configuration that is BGP of the CCNP, yeah. And this is topology uh, to the we use this we config, yeah. And before we configuration, I wanna tell you little about this topology and the BGP. And this is we we have four router and one router. This is in other area. Yeah, we have two area and this area our one area one. The name is IBGP or internal BGP, and this is area two. That is external BGP. And this is we use Cisco router this. And before that we start because the waiting is so long time, waiting this open so long time that yeah, the BGP we must do connection and this area BGP, and until this router 4 can ping to the router 3, yeah, can ping to the router 3. And uh, in BGP we have one router that is uh, the reflector, yeah, this is reflector. And uh, in this topology I wanna use router 1. The, router 1, this is a reflector, and router 2 and router 4, this is reflector client, yeah. So yeah, this is we have start configuration. The first we wanna configuration in the router 4. In Cisco, you must to write config to open layer layer 3. Yeah, this is no, sorry. Nah, config until this command. So we write the interface. We use this interface, yeah. Fe and no 0. So we add IP address to this interface, and this is I use this IP 21 21 21 2, yeah. And we enter the prefix don't loss this prefix, yeah. Prefix 30, this is subnet mask 1252, and after this we now should to set config and exit to close this configuration. After this we do the configuration router BGP. We write the router BGP, and this is we enter the area, uh, yeah. because router 4 in the area 1, we enter 1. Okay, enter 1. After this, we enter neighbor to router enemy. This is the interface enemy. The enter IP interface enemy ya. This because this interface IP point two, I want to use point one. Okay, so we remote us and we enter area in the this AP. Okay, after this we again you can click the tools up. Nah, because the fast ya config. So we write up the source to the update this interface. If if it the new config this the configuration we need to update. So we choose the interface in router this. Okay, we enter and don't forget we enter network to this. Okay, network this 21 21 21 20 and we enter max connect max enter and we exit. Don't forget to the end this configuration and we save in the right. Okay, okay, the configuration set. So we config the router one. Yeah, we will config router one. This is sorry. Okay, we open configuration. We configure the complete prompt is configure terminal. But if you want a simple, we can write conf and t. That's the configuration. That's so we we uh, add the IP from the interface here. IP IP add we uh, to one, yeah, and the subnet mask then two, and don't forget to no shoot. After this we exit. Yeah, so we interface again, interface the second this interface to the router 4 to router 2 1 with 0 and we add IP. So this the subnet mask, don't forget. Okay, we will shoot and exit to close the config this. After this, we to the router BGP, we config router BGP ya, and at the same we enter neighbor for this and this yeah neighbor enemy IP enemy that is point two. Don't forget to remote us to the this area one. So we update source. Okay, update source to the this interface. And sorry, I'm sorry. Neighbor, what the problem? So, oh, I'm sorry. In update source, yeah. In source. Oh, this. We wrong, right? This, yeah. Update source and network. Sorry, sorry. So we enter subnet mask. Okay, input has. That's it. After this, we config again to the router 2, yeah, make for and on. We enter router BGP 1. So we enter neighbor 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 to the router enemy remote us. Don't forget. Sorry, don't forget to IP this. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Yes. So very much, bro. Okay, so we update source again. Update to if everyone slash zero. So we update network one slash one. So we enter max. Okay, the configuration is complete in this return the end and we wait to set config. Okay, we enter the router 2. Okay, we add IP the first. We add IP this time. IP 22, yeah, and point 2 the subnet mask the same. Yeah. Okay, we no shut down and exit. Okay. Under this, we enter the IP for this interface. Yeah. interface via 1/0 IPF sorry 30.1. Okay, and we enter the subnet mask. Is okay, we initiate and the last we exit. For this is time we router BGP one, and this is we enter neighbor. For this, the first we enter neighbor for this router one. Okay, 2.1. Okay, we remote cache one. Of this we of the source of the source to the interface this, yeah, because this interface in the connect for to the router one interface to this. Okay, we enter. Don't forget to enter the network. So enter and subnet mask. Okay, okay, and one again we neighbor to the router tree, yeah, in IP uh, to through IP point two, yeah, 30.2. So we enter remote as. Nah, in this remote as we enter two because this IP uh, it 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 has area two. Okay, the remote as two and network in update cells the same and this source to interface this, yeah, interface this 1/0 and we enter network to null and max. Okay, this configuration has complete. We exit and so we wait. Okay, after this we configuration to the router 3. We close. Okay. The same we config to enter layer 1 and we add IP for this interface. IP add, yeah, ini actually two, ya, because we uh, this in the router 2 we use point one. This is 30, we use point two. Okay, we measured and exit. After this, in we enter router again. Router BGP 2, ya, because we config in area 2. BGP 2 neighbor same neighbor to this to the IP router 2. one, and we remote as one, yeah, because this IP, this interface, we enter in the area one. Okay. Source update source in interface is to network. Uh, sorry, forget to this and max. Okay, okay. This configuration has conflict, but this configuration don't cannot. This configuration cannot ping from router 3 to the router 4 uh, to what the different and what different antara ya antara area 1 to and area 2. Don't think we can try to ping, yeah. This is we ping this IP, this timeout. This don't cannot resolution. We must to add configuration in this router one, because this router he become a reflector, and with this config in this router we config to this router 2 and router 4, we become they become a reflector client. Okay, and this is we IPBGP, we can show IPBGP. Nah, this is connect, but not the channel to ping, yeah. Okay, enter to router one. This is we enter configuration uh, to the reflector, ya, to the router reflector. Sorry guys, uh, yeah. Before that, we can try to ping to the router 4. We will try, yeah. This is success. If the configuration success, we will they will to uh, writing this, yeah, success uh, to 100, success 100%. Okay, we continue the configuration router one. This we enter uh, configuration to BGP, router BGP, and enter area. So we add uh, this this IP, ya, this IP router 4 and router 2. The first we can configure router 4, 2, and this is you uh, write the router. So write reflector. Okay, reflector, and you can tap reflector client. Okay, I'm sorry. Don't be, yeah, root of laptop client. Nah, and again, we enter to the IP router 2 laptop client. Okay, the configuration has success, has complete. After this, we will try to config. We will try config to the non config. We will try to ping, yeah, ping from the router 4 to the router to the this. Okay, okay. We will try to. Okay, this success, I guess. Success rate is 100%. 100%. Okay, and a knock, a knock. Maybe this for me. This configuration BGP of CCNP. And thanks for attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.